What is going on, you guys? It is Devin, and welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in once again. For anyone new here, like I said, my name is Devin, and this is the Beard Code YouTube channel. On this channel, we do unboxings, product reviews, and really just cover all things beard related. So if that is something that would interest you at all, I would really appreciate if you would consider hitting subscribe and dropping me a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you're on board with what I've got planned for this channel. But today we do have something really exciting lined up for you guys, and it is our very first product unboxing. So really excited for that. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, before we jump into this, I do want to give a huge shout out to Tevin over there at Purposely Bearded on YouTube as well as on Instagram. These products are courtesy of a giveaway that he helped put on the other day on the Mike Tyson show. So again, a huge shout out to you, Tevin. If you guys aren't too familiar with him, feel free to go check out his YouTube and his Instagram. It is at Purposely Bearded. He's a really awesome guy. Him and his son do some product reviews and unboxings. Him and his son Weston, and it is absolutely adorable. So definitely go ahead and check that out when you guys get a try. Alrighty guys, now with all of that said, let's go ahead and jump into the package itself here. So it did come in one of the little like bubble wrap envelope type of deals, which I think is kind of nice just for the sake of keeping the products just safe while they are in transit. So first thing, we do have this really awesome card here. You can go ahead and show you guys that side there. Then on the back, so you will get 10% off of your next online purchase, which is pretty neat. And it does come in this really awesome white box here with the logo on front there. They have some really awesome artwork here. The balm before the storm, which I think is pretty neat. Go ahead and open it up here and give it a look. Go ahead and show you guys what's inside. Does come, looks like, with a sticker here, again with the Captain Stash logo. Again, they're saying the balm before the storm. Does come with another little business card here and a nice little written note. Says, thank you for being a Captain Stash customer. We sincerely appreciate your business and hope you come back soon. Sincerely, the Captain. So awesome, really nice. I think it's really cool when they include little notes like that. Just kind of makes the experience feel personalized. Then inside the package itself, we've got three things today. We do have their beard butter. We do have the beard balm, as well as an oil. And it is in the, I believe it is the Captain's Quarters. Yes, Captain's Quarters scent. So from what I understand, from what I saw online, is one of their more complex scents, but one that sounded really, really nice to me. So I'm pretty excited for it. The rest of the box is just kind of like that crinkle paper, keeping everything safe during delivery. So, all right, now as far as the products themselves and my first impressions, so go ahead and get everything kind of out of the packaging here a little bit. Get some of all this trash off here. All right. Like I said, we do have the three products here, the oil, balm, and the butter, all in the matching scent, which is kind of nice. So, all right, now, first impression of the bottle. Give you guys a look here. Really, really cool artwork and design. I'm a huge fan of the label itself. I think it's really, really neat, pretty original. You will see that the label doesn't quite go all the way around the bottle, but that's okay. I don't think it looks too terrible. I do like that they have kind of like the bigger logo on the front, and I do like that they have, you know, the scent that is big enough for you to see. So if you keep this on your shelf, it's something that you can kind of see exactly what scent it is. I personally, though, am a fan of having like the ingredients and the scent profile on the bottle. So that would be one thing that I wish was on the beard oil itself. And I do not believe it is on either the balm or the butter. Nope, it's not on the balm or the butter here. So that would be one recommendation. I like to see that kind of stuff on the bottle itself. It's just something that I prefer just because I like seeing that sort of things on the products. But go ahead and open this up and give this a smell here. Oh wow, that is really, really good. So I definitely get some of like that cigar and maybe a little bit of cedar wood in there, I think. Definitely a little bit of leather and definitely something sweet. It's almost like a sweet bourbon or a sweet whiskey. Maybe like a little bit of vanilla and definitely it smells like a little bit of lavender in here. But overall, a really complex scent, something that's really, really original. I haven't smelled anything that's really like this before. But I'm definitely a fan. This is definitely something that I enjoy the scent of right away, and right out of the bottle it smells absolutely incredible. So this is a 1 ounce beard oil as well, and I do really like the way that the packaging and the labeling looks with that darker bottle. Does come with the dropper top as well, something I'm a fan of. I like the dropper tops, and you can kind of see some of that oil there, so it's not too clear, but got a little tint to it. So there is the oil. And then we do also have the balm, like I said, and the butter. They come in these black tins. I personally love the black tins. I think they look incredible. These ones are not the screw tops. They're just ones that pop right off. So give you guys a look at the balm there. This is a 2 ounce balm here, again in the Captain's Quarter scent. Right away, the balm smells exactly like the oil, which I think is something that's really important. I think that the balms and the butters or whatever should always smell exactly like the oil. And this does. It smells absolutely exactly the same. I wish I knew, had the products on the ingredients of the product on the product itself. Like I said, just because I wish I could kind of grasp what kind of hold this balm might have, but I'll be sure to get all of that kind of stuff to you guys in the review that will be on its way. But right off the bat, a nice creamy balm. I'll go ahead and give you guys a look here. Comes out really, really nice. See how that melts down. Melts down right away. I think this will be a really, really good balm. I'm not typically as much of a balm person anymore. I've kind of shifted away a little bit from balms. During the day, I kind of just tend to rock the natural, more natural beard look, I should say. So, but I will definitely give this a try. This one's a balm that I'm actually pretty excited for. It seems pretty light and definitely pretty creamy. So I'm pretty excited for that. Now for the butter. Yeah, so this is more of a whipped butter versus as a poured butter. Definitely really soft right out of the can here. Definitely really, really soft, kind of airy, nice and light, which I think is really important for the butter. Feels really, really soft, and again, melts down really, really nicely right away. So let's go ahead and throw a little bit of that in the beard here. But again, yeah, the butter, not quite as strong as the oil or the balm, but the scent is there, and it definitely smells just like the balm and the oil, which is really, really good. I like to see that. So other than that, I really do enjoy the black tins for the balm and for the butter. With the butter in particular, I do like to see some of those side labels around the side of the can here. Just makes it a little bit easier to kind of see on shelf, which may or may not be a fan for some people. I in particular just like to see that around the side. Makes it a little bit easier to kind of navigate when it's on shelf or in the bathroom, that sort of thing. But some people do like it on top. They've got that really, really neat artwork on top. And like I said, I wish there was the ingredients as well as a scent profile on the product itself, but that's not there. But really, really nice scent, something that's really, really original. I'm honestly a fan. I really, really enjoyed the packaging. The box is really, really neat. I love when companies put like their logo or their decals or anything like that on the box directly. I think that's just a really, really cool touch. Makes it a little more personalized. It just kind of provides for a more well-rounded unboxing experience versus just throwing it like some, plain empty brown box or something. All right, but that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you again for stopping by and tuning in for the unboxing of the Captain's Stash. Until next time, when I bring you guys the review of all of these great products, don't forget, stay fresh, stay clean, and never break beer code. I'll catch you guys on the next one.